To clean or replace the air filter on your RZR XP Turbo, follow these steps. Place the transmission in park. Pull up on the latch and remove the cargo box access panel. Clean any dirt or debris from the airbox area. Locate and unclip the 4 airbox cover clips and carefully remove the airbox cover. And inspect the airbox seal. If it's worn or damaged in any way, it will need to be replaced. Remove the air filter by pulling to the right or the passenger side of the vehicle. Inspect the air filter and replace if necessary. Note, if the filter has been soaked with fuel or oil, it must be replaced. Do not attempt to clean the air filter. Clean the airbox thoroughly. Wipe well with a clean, dry cloth. Note, dirt or debris in the intake could result in severe engine damage. Always clean all dirt and debris from the intake before installing the filter. Install the air filter onto the airbox, ensuring that it is fully seated. Proper placement of the air filter is important to prevent air leaks. Note, use of non-Polaris approved air filters may cause engine damage. Always use Polaris approved replacement filters. Replacement filters are available at your Polaris dealer. In dusty conditions, air filter replacement will be required more often. Reinstall the airbox cover. Ensure the alignment tabs are properly positioned. Secure the 4 cover clips. Reinstall the cargo box access panel. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.